gonna use this line, but I think it's gonna be enough. So this is what I'm gonna do. If I set the line like this, the first part will be cutting will be this one and this one, but this one is now pre-cut. Now you see my panel, I can make a pre-cut and will be more easy, but what happens you have the quarter panel? It's not possible. So what we're gonna do is only running the line on the top to the bottom. Okay, let me just put this guy here. There we go. Now one on the bottom, just to protect this area a little bit. And what I'm doing is run the line top, bottom, okay. Now make sure the line is behind, okay? And let me see this guy. There you go. Now run him behind here. That's the Urethanes, okay? Remember, you mastering the Jammer or GT or Equalizer push snap, just do it, okay? You don't have to do this. This is another option. Glassmans always need options. That's what I'm saying. That's why I do all this, just because always have an option or a different way to work, make you make the money. Now here, because you don't find any spot to clamp, we're going to use an WRD clamp here, and we hold in here, okay? Let me get my ratchet. Remember, if every time I show you different things, maybe people think it's crazy or risk, it's because you need to be a very good glassman to understand these deals, okay? Just the people are more here for 20 or 30 years, they know what's going on. Alright? Careful in this area, because now you're on this way. Okay? Let me just put this guy here, just to prevent any problem, okay? Even I'm going to use my stick right here. Okay, and it's time to make the cut. Now, when you see there's nothing happen there, what does the part of the line is go first? The corner you already cut. Okay, there you go. You see, nothing moves over here, but over here the line is making the cut. You can even put your hand one more. Why I'm pulling down? Because I don't want to make any damage in this area on my encapsulate. Okay, we're almost there. Now the line on the front is going to make the cut. Okay, finish the cut on the bottom, and that's all. Okay guys, so always find a way to do your outside technique, okay? And you see, I want to just show you, I don't have any dent, okay? Oh, and the quarter panels for the Centra, no damage. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut the video here. See you in the next shot. I have more quarter glasses, so I got an Atlas and a Ford Fusion, 2 quarter glasses. I'm gonna use the next one Spider quarter master, and let's see what else I have in the truck. Maybe the Pro 6. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next shot.